Let's take a look at the ASP Police Duty Knife, or PDK. As the name suggests, the PDK was created to be an officer's trusty, everyday, on-the-job knife. It was designed by law enforcement professionals for law enforcement professionals, with a great feature set and the quality you expect from ASP. Let's start with the blade. The PDK features a razor-sharp drop-point blade. It's made of AUS 8, some prefer to call it AUS 8, stainless steel, a popular and well-proven knife metal that's durable, corrosion-resistant, and easy to sharpen and maintain. The opening mechanism is an assisted flipper, so it deploys quickly and decisively. Once open, the blade is held securely in place by a liner lock, closing with a safe and easy thumb release. Our trademark shark fin jimping enhances blade grip, control, and safety. The scales are made of tough G10 composite with a textured finish for a sure hold. A unique, quick-release pocket clip can be switched between right-hand and left-hand carry in seconds using, are you ready for this? Just a handcuff key. Simply press the key's double lock pin into the release hole, slide the stainless steel clip out, and slide it into the opposite scale until it clicks. No more tiny screws to deal with, no parts to lose. The PDK's distinctive finishing touches include the legendary ASP Eagle logo medallion and a thin blue line spacer to honor the profession. It's available in your choice of black or stone-washed blade and hardware finishes and either flat or grooved grips. And finally, the PDK is priced to be a great value for a knife of this quality. Say hello to your new favorite work knife.